don't know if I'm recording or not. You're gonna run some errands with me. It's a little chilly out. First off, I'm going to stop by. I gotta try to do this all in order, save gas. Give me some cigarettes. Okay, I gotta take my trash and recycling. The band's not as loud as it sounds. It sounds louder in the video. Intersections. Can't see over there, but it used to be Hendricks School. Now it's in a real nice apartment. 5 points, yes. Cool. Miller Avenue, Miller Street, Hendricks, and Montgomery, another one. Turning on to West Washington going east. City. And no bi-directional traffic. Circle or the square. You're welcome. I got people over here getting ready to jaywalk, and they're not supposed to. That's jaywalking, people. Look what you did. Oh, mercy. It's like a roundabout we've had for years. Aren't supposed to jaywalk because it stops. You have to yield here. Can you see him? Well, where'd you go? There you go. You look scrawny. I don't have no food for you right yet. I'll try to get you some. I'm trying to hook this thing back up the way I had it. I'll fix it again. See, little bunny rabbit? I don't have any food for you. Well, you're a baby. What I'm driving on used to be a quarry. They filled it in years ago. Built this, it used to be Crystal Flash, now it's Circle K. And to the left of me up here, these trucks. This used to be a big old gravel pit. Got an insurance agency there. What is gas? Yeah, buddy, you go there, I'm gonna go here. I hate this place. They do have the best fountain drinks. Check lottery tickets too. Check his camera out. It ain't set up right. Damn, too bad it won't fit there. Don't have to work like that for now. I better turn it down. People be stealing. I doubt it. I think I do have one lottery winner, but I'll do that later. There's Big Bubba. pretty quick. Yeah. Nope, it's my neighbor behind my house, Christina. Rest in peace, Christina. And her mom and her daughter Amber. I can't think of her name right now. Her mom. Get her look over at me. Diana. Yeah, this is a long, silly video. Now to the trash. City trash. They usually sit out there and get you. They should have got him. Every 3-week bag. Fix this camera again. So it's pointing in the way I'm driving. Hey, that might work. Okay. I need to run back into town. Go to Dollar General. Travel road. There's like 3,000 people work up and down this road, bunches of factories. I've lived here all my life. This road's never been repaved or redone. The city garage is right there. City done. I get all the equipment. They've never fixed it. All the inside off. Falling apart like a fan. Back. cut over to the right lane without your turn signal. Green arrow. Turn yellow. Oh, gas 388. Went down some. Was for us last time I put gas. Went 5.5 months without missing any work. And Sunday, I woke up late, had a migraine. I could have made it to work, but the way I was feeling, I said, screw it, call off. So I get a whole point. Now I gotta wait another year to get my bonus. Semi don't get too close. Probably watch it at 8 first. Our Dollar General's new, but it's small and tight. I don't like it. But you get some decent deals. I'll leave the camera on. I don't give a shit. You watch people. What time is it? 2:15. I better take this list. Oh, I gotta go to Great Clips to get that shampoo. Circle K, trash, Dollar General. I need some Dr. Scholl's for my feet for work. I'll be right back. lady in front. I let her go from me, but she wouldn't. So she's insisted that I go. So I went. $22.50. Some Mountain Dews and Dr. Scholl's and some cheap toilet paper. Okay, next stop. I hope my camera's still on. Next stop, bank. I need a cigarette though. I got one reverse mirror, or side view mirror gone, and one's broken. Somebody hit it at work. Didn't leave a note. 2 weeks earlier they hit my bumper. Didn't leave a note. Turn the music on, but get copyright. If my video's even playing, I don't know if it is. Okay. BP, don't ever go there. I never will ever since the oil spill. The gas is $3.90, not too bad.